game, you know. The man are really the highest. The man can't hide. This woman, they did together, they born pikin together. Hoping say na the man get the pikin. Hello. It's a one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You are missing, my dear. Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. Today, ogbonge topic, my people. Some men shy. Today, na two topic. Two topic. Some men shy. Some women, in fact, some women shy. They are only their body, really. You know. You get one man who this topic, the thing like the heavy before man, because the way the man they play the game, you know, the man are really the highest. The man can't hide. This woman, they did together, they born pikin together. Hoping say na the man get the pikin, the man they happy, they say, oh, na my pikin, oh, you know. So the man can't hide, go do DNA test. As the man do DNA test, now the wahala can't show, say not be the man get the pikin. And this woman not tell the man. He not tell him, the man the say that he get him, the man they happy ever since, you know. So when the man can't go do the DNA, they can't tell the man, so not be the man get him. The man not tell the woman. The man also just keep him like secret, you know. So on the day of the woman birthday, you can't buy gift, give the woman. The way he even wrap the thing, that they make me laugh. He wrap, I will put the video on and say, me wrap him, you know. So the man, the fit say that he gets, the woman don't understand what they happen. The way the man say wrap the thing, you know. So he can't open and they open the gift. Later wine coffee come out. He can't put the wine for ground. Later if they open am again, he see say na DNA test. So then the man say, so you not tell am ever since say no being get pikin. This one they happen for America so. Now be the ogbonge this way just they happen ever since so. Now the woman say, why you not tell me? Why come be say na today you want tell me now? He say in don't find that, so you don't want to tell the woman, you know. So when I see him, I shocked her lies. I was like, so men some men oh they their body oh. You know, just tell the woman, you just some men shy. When I see the video, I shocked her lies really So that be that one. And you woman, if you know it's not be your husband get picking a beg, tell him instead when you come they go the lie say that now the man get him. Whereas not be the man get him, I beg you tell him not be the one who come the when don't create problem finish now. You can't be say not be the man get him. People come they say why the man behave like that. Why he not go behave like that? Why he not go behave like that? When you know so not be the man get picking, you don't tell him. You go the lie to him say that he get him. You know good. You know? So that one I be for that one. The other one be say get one video, one of my correct fans. They always send me this, say, Mama talking about this one. Oh. Now I say, now I can't look. I look. A grown-up woman, though. A grown-up woman, my people. Grown-up woman just naked the body. Or because the one come arrest them. Even though they talk for the background, say that they arrest, so now make her. They do this the way they do so. This woman naked. They say, you know, go follow them. If they scatter things, they scatter. If like say a restaurant for the work, if they scatter all her things, you know. I was like, what's going to make this woman they scatter her things? What's going to make this woman they do this the way they do so? She they do and made them not arrest her because according to one of the officers, say she they do this one just to for them not to arrest her. But that will not be the best. Because you naked yourself, how can a mother like that? Because that woman not be small picking. If she go get children. Okay, that video now don't go viral, don't go everywhere now. Because that one that you like. Seriously? What's it gonna make you even do that kind of thing? Just stay naked or because of you don't want me to arrest you? Like, are you kidding me? So women, they are own their body really. They are own full yak matter for their body. Because I don't understand what it go make a woman dey naked like that. Say, all because you know I made they arrest you. Like, seriously? My people? Some women, they are all there. If you yak batazin, if they even they throw away for their body. What you go make this woman not naked? He naked. Say, because you know, if they resist, you know I made they arrest her. You know I made the arrest and this woman can't just naked. That is everybody, the whole world don't see your body. What it be private part? What it make Oyibo color? Private. That's in a private part. Not supposed to be another eye. If you see him. And this woman just open for ground, make the whole world they see. Madam, you own your body. You too do this one, oh madam, you too do this one. I say me, which eye say me people take look you now? Which eye say make the whole world take see you? Maybe they happy for you, say clap on for you, say madam, you do well. This one what you do, so you do well. You not do this one well. You not do well at all. You don't do this one well. Eh? But you go, okay, because they want to arrest you, you then naked. If you see what this woman do, she scatter all at least what she get for us. She scatter everything. Eh? She scatter. She scatter. They breaking everything for a shop. All because you know I made they arrest you. Are you kidding me? Now the best be that what advice to me you do that kind of thing. If you know what you do yourself now, you the shame. If you see the video, you go the shame. You then naked. Your body, your mekusi, they ground. Your breast, everything they ground. Like seriously, you don't do this one way. Eh? You not do it when now somebody advise you wrongly. Wrongly. He advise you wrongly. Because I hear with the policeman they say she they do this one, they not beat her, they not do anything. She just they do all because of you know I made they arrest her. But that might not be the best now. Because the video that video don't go viral. That video don't full everywhere. It full all the social media. The video full everywhere. Muna the shame. Make una the shame. Muna the keep una shame. As in the day with the bone, the shame, the shame disappear from Muna that day. The shame disappear from Muna that day. Eh? Anybody when need the video can private chat me, I will send the video for you. Eh? But Muna sit down, just listen from starting to the ending. Muna listen, I beg. Mona say they do that one for me. And Mona always they put thumbs up for me. Because it's not still easy for us to come sit down. They make una, they happy. They listen. At least some people they pick one or two things for the advice. You know, I receive calls every day. And mama, that your topic, it was nice, it was this, you know. So I beg, Mona say they like, they put thumbs up for me and share the video. Not just watch the video and relax. No, it's not good. It's like you are staging. Please share the video. Just share it to your friends. Share it to your community tab. Share it to your Facebook. Share it to your Messenger and your WhatsApp. Share it to people so that people can see and learn, you know. So, but if you don't share, it don't make sense, you know. You know, they help me like that. So I beg, let me the share them, give everybody. Let the whole world see them, you know. Go to keep the ministry. I'm going to keep them, they go, you know. But if you know they share them, you know, bam. You know, bam, you understand? You know, they help me like that, you know. Hey, just they help me, they share them, they put thumbs up for me, you know. And anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Because what did this woman do if not good thing or a bad thing? Because I never see a woman like that, a grown-up woman like that, go just say, he want naked up because say they want to come and arrest her. Are you kidding me right now? Like seriously? Some women, their own way, if big for their body. I beg my darling people. More than they put respect for our body. The whole world is watching all those things. Okay, now how you want to clean this shame for your body? Now you this woman now. Your children now you bring shame to them. You know the you know what people go don't call them ever since. You know what they go don't tell them. When you naked like this, if your pikin do this kind of thing, you say, how you want to advise them? When you can go do them, go naked up because say you know what, maybe they arrest you. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? So my darling people, I beg, more than they put respect for our body, so that other people will see respect for me. You understand? And so it be. And so the thing just be, my tiny people. So thank you, everybody. And take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. And some people don't really know how to subscribe. You know how to subscribe, just press that red line with it there. If you just click on YouTube, then that red line you press, and you don't subscribe, then you press that notification. If you press that subscribe, now that notification will show. It will be 3 when they show like that. But that first one, then you go just press. Then if you just press that first one, it shows that you don't get the notification. So that anytime I put any video, you will be notified. So thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. Bye. Bye, everybody. Bye.